Do you know Excel allows us to enter any kind of data in every cell? But if you are working on a report, you might want that certain cells are restricted only for a specific type of data. So in today's video, we are going to talk about how data validation can help us achieving this. So I am taking one example. Let's say a date is to be entered over here, but no future date should be allowed. It has to be today or less than today's date. So to restrict that entry, from the data tab, we select data validation. And in the data validation right now, it is currently set to any value in the settings. We just set it to date, and date has to be from the data restriction we can give has to be less than equal to today's date. So today is a function, I start with equal to today. And that's how it is going to restrict. Now, if I enter some past date, so let's say some date from the previous month, it will be accepted. But what if I try to enter some date which is in future? It won't allow me to enter that date. And there is a message also which is coming that some restriction is there through data validation. But this is not a very user-friendly message. So we can also customize the message that is appearing. And what we can do here, we can go back to data validation. And there is an error alert tab here. So I can write the title, invalid data, or date, because we know it's a date to be entered, and any comfortable message which you want to write. So I have written a message here, click OK. So this time if I try to enter some date which is not matching the requirement, our custom message is appearing and the user can easily understand the reason for this error. Similarly, there are other validation rules also which you can work with. For example, a mobile number has to be of the 10 characters only, not less, not more than 10. So if you notice in the data validation settings tab, we also have a text length to be mentioned. So if you give a text length as 10, so it will not allow anything beyond 10 or less than 10. So that's how you can try these validation rules on your data.